Welcome to the home of Kirin Brewing in Yokohama. You can walk through the entire brewing process at the brewery tour. It's fully in Japanese and it will take you behind the scenes of the history of Kirin Brewing in Yokohama, from the raw ingredients all the way to the finished glass. You'll have to book this one online in advance since there are designated tour times during the day. We're on our way to the Kirin Brewery factory. I'm really interested and excited to see what we're gonna find. Kirin is originally from Yokohama, and it was founded in 1907 after beer kind of became popular here in Japan. That happened after international trade was opened, and they found that in Yokohama in particular, that beer was really, really popular, likely because they had a lot of foreign residents living in this area. So, oh, I see it. It's actually such a quick walk from the train station. And we've made a reservation. It's 500 yen per person. And supposedly it's a 90-minute tour with a 3 beer tasting. So I'm interested and I'm excited to see what we're gonna find. When we arrived, they gave us a booklet that was in English since the entire tour is in Japanese. And as you go from room to room, there are page numbers to follow along. After the Great Kanto earthquake, they rebuilt in the location where they are today. So that's the one that you can go and visit if you go on the brewery tour. Their more recent beer, Ichiban, which means number one, is one of Kirin's best-selling beers, known for its first press brewing method. The first press brewing method is a method that extracts the liquid from the malt, also known as the wort, in the first press. They don't add any water and then they don't press a second time to get the purest, most flavorful taste. And we were able to taste some of the first and second extraction while we were there to be able to compare it. And the first one definitely does have a richer, more flavorful, even kind of a sweet taste, while the second one has a much more watered down taste. We were also able to taste the barley and sniff the hops, all grown in Japan. Something I did learn is that the Kirin beer in North America, in Canada, and the US is actually not brewed in Japan. It's brewed locally by Molson, and the ingredients that they use are not the same ingredients as the one in Japan because they don't use the Japanese hops and barley. They use local North American hops and barley, which makes the beer a little bit different. And I gotta say, I think the one in Japan is a bit better. We are just out. It was a great tour. It was really, really informative.
Really nice. It was all in Japanese, but they handed us a ringed set of pages that explained everything in English as we went through.
The notebook was super helpful. Otherwise, I don't think we'd have any idea what was going on.
And there was a lot of video content that was very helpful to follow along with the images.
I liked being able to see all the, like, I don't know what they are, barrels, the fermentation cans, and they all lit up, and that was really interesting.
Yes.
Like, I liked the little show there, and I really enjoyed getting to try the barley, like the first and second.
And being able to crush the hops and smell them. But you mean trying the first and second worts?
Oh, yes. I enjoyed trying the first and second worts.
Like the barley, it was like a barley tea versus a barley syrup.
Yeah, I've never tried that before.
It was great.
At the end of the tour, you get to try 3 beers or 3 beverages, but you basically have like 25 minutes to do it. They come around, are like, are you done drinking? And you're like halfway through your first.
Going that slowly.
Yeah. You're like halfway through your first drink and you're like, oh no. They're like, please just hurry up and order your drinks. So Tom tried one of all of the beers.
The dark beer and their premium Ichiban, which they're using specially sourced hops and malt for.
And then Katrina I tried the regular Ichiban, and then I tasted all of Tom's. I personally prefer the premium. Tom likes
the dark beer and the Ichiban regular. I felt like the premium had a much cleaner, softer taste.
I liked it.
I'm going for something that tastes really good, like deep flavors. So.
And then I got to try 2 of the Kirin canned teas, and then we both said we really liked the snacks that they gave us.
Yes, the snacks were maybe the best.
Those are like the little rice cracker snacks. Those were super great. And then we bought some of the beers at the gift shop because there are a few that we don't get to try at the tasting.
There are a white, a blue, and a green that we didn't try at the tasting. So we bought a 3-pack for 720 yen, which is
seems reasonable to get to try 3 more beers. And honestly, the amount of beer you get for the price of the tour is crazy. It was
we got 3 beers for 500 for the tour, so
wild.
It's cheaper than buying them.
Yeah, great tour. Great
really
tour.
So in upsetting news, we are at our nearby grocery store, and the beer here is cheaper than it is at Kirin. I think it's because it's on sale, because this is $149, so it's $165 after. And we got one of these blue premiums, which is $185, so it's $204. And I think we also got a white one. I mean, we're still gonna try it. It is what it is. But it's cheaper at the grocery store. Something to know, you don't really need to buy anything at the gift shop.